find a solution to a linear equation. First, choose a value for one variable. Then, substitute it into the equation and solve for the other variable. Finally, write the solution as an ordered pair. Let's see how this works with our examples. When y is by itself on one side of the equation, as in this example, it is usually easier to choose values for x and then solve for y. Since we are finding three solutions, let's pick three values for x. Let's choose x equals -1, 0, and 2. You can also pick other values for x, but it is best to choose those that make the calculations easier. Now, substitute each of these x values into the equation and solve for y. First, we have x equals -1. So, substitute -1 for x and solve for y. -5 times -1 is 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So, when x equals -1, y equals 7. Therefore, the ordered pair -1, 7 is one solution to the equation. Next, we have x equals 0. So, substitute 0 for x and solve for y. Simplifying this, we find that y equals 2, right? So, when x equals 0, y equals 2. Therefore, 0, 2 is another solution. Next, we have x equals 2. So, substitute 2 for x and solve for y. -5 times 2 is -10. -10 plus 2 equals -8, right? So, when x equals 2, y equals -8. Therefore, 2, -8 is another solution. So, we have found three solutions to the equation. But remember, these are just a few solutions. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. You can find more solutions by substituting any value for x or y and solving for the other variable to get another ordered pair.